Do you want to find a modern and convenient equipment in the product packaging process? To meet consumer needs, this device is equipped with safety and protection features, helping to ensure the safety of users and products. Modern production lines are indispensable in the production process and preparation of garlic products for the market. This equipment not only enhances performance and productivity, but also ensures the quality and hygiene of the final product. With its striking orange color, this packaging machine creates a strong impression and highlights the packaged product. This not only attracts customers' attention, but also creates trust and uniqueness for the brand. Look at the beautiful and shiny orange spots like pearls in the middle of a beautiful natural picture. The oranges are round and succulent, with rich orange color, creating an attractive and vibrant image. The flavor of kumquat is a delicate combination of sweet and sour, creating a fascinating culinary experience. Along with automation and high efficiency, the kumquat production line helps optimize the production process, minimizing blade wear and increasing production efficiency. Thin slicing of meat through a machine is a technical process that can be performed with precision and uniformity. When you see the meat slicer in action, you will feel its precision and performance. This appliance is designed to thinly slice meat or vegetables such as beef, pork, chicken or vegetables, carrots and By adjusting the thickness of the blade and controlling the grating speed, the Shubu grater allows users to create evenly thin slices of food, enhancing the culinary experience. Safety and henshin are also top priorities in the production process. The meat processing line not only meets these standards but also exceeds expectations. Advanced technology is applied to ensure that the final product is fresh, safe and reliable. The sharp blade gently glides through the loaf of bread, creating two sweet cuts separating the sandwich into two complete parts. The rich, smooth layer of cream is spread evenly onto the grooves of the bread, making the bread more delicious. Yogurt packaging machine is an important part of the automatic yogurt production process. This technology not only helps increase production efficiency, but also ensures food safety and hygiene and accuracy in product packaging. Yogurt packaging machines are often designed to automatically measure, fill and pack yogurt into bags or boxes with high accuracy. This process is done quickly and accurately, saving time and labor compared to manual packaging. This helps create yogurt products with uniform shape and ensures absorbency instructions when displayed on store shelves. The automatic cellophane making line for cookies is a modern piece of equipment in the food industry, helping to effectively enhance the packaging and preservation process of cookies. This equipment is often designed to automatically carry out the process of packaging cookies into paper bags or cellophane bags automatically and quickly. The machine uses sensors and control systems to ensure the packaging process is accurate and stable. This enhances production efficiency and reduces the labor required for the packaging process. Standing in front of the complete cheesecake cutting line, you can't help but be amazed by its automation and efficiency. With delicate and attractive cheese wheels neatly arranged on the conveyor belt, the cutting machine operates powerfully and precisely. Each slice is cut with uniformity and precision. Each wheel of cheese is cut and packed automatically and uniformly, creating final products of consistent shape and size. This is not just a cheesecake cutting system, but also a complete automated production process, from raw material preparation to final product packaging. The mangosteen sorting line is not only a conventional production system, but also a symbol of care and high quality in the production process. Looking at the diverse and uniform product line of mangosteens as they are run through the line, we can feel the care and professionalism in every step of the production process. This mangosteen classification system not only helps eliminate substandard products, but also helps increase production efficiency and save time. The attraction of the long red peppers on the line will make you unable to help but be fascinated by their efficiency.